Hey guys, I'm gonna cook shrimp today. The fastest way how to cook shrimp. I bought this at Costco. It's really big. It's a white shrimp, 4 pounds. Let's try and cook this in the fastest way. I open the shrimp and then I'll just rinse it. It's all frozen. I'm just gonna wash it first. And then I'm gonna cook some of it. It's really big. Look, I like the one with the head. Look how big it is. I love it with the head. I love head. I just put some water and add some salt. I think that's the fastest way of how to cook your shrimp. And I add a little bit of pepper. Let it boil and eat. So now it's turning orange. Look at that fish. Oh my god. I can't wait to eat it. Look at that. Oh my god. Luto na ang shrimp ko. Heto ang shrimp ko. Luto na siya. And then I have my sausawan. The kamatis and sibuyas and fish sauce. Let's eat. Hi, hello guys, I'm back. The shrimp is cooked already. Look how big it is. Look. So yummy. Yummy shrimp. And I have my fish sauce, tomato, and onion. This is so good. Let's try it. My god, this is good. I love this. I love this shrimp. I love this. Let's eat. Good. I love this sausawan. Oh my god, so perfect. I love it. Let's eat.